Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes that you can make yourself. We're diving into the world of liner brushes with a cute throwback brush, the Blobby liner. It's an extremely easy to create brush that produces whimsical shape variations all throughout the stroke. It adds dimension and style to your calligraphy or illustrations. It mimics the mid-century illustration liner style popularized in kids' books and children's advertisements, so you can make simple yet stylized creations in no time. So let's get started and make this brush. Start with an open canvas. Choose a brush library to create your brush in, and tap the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, under Stroke Properties, set spacing to 35. In the Shape sidebar, beside Shape Source, tap Edit. In Shape Editor, tap Import and choose Source Library. Scroll down if needed and choose Oval. Tap Done twice to save selection. Under Shape Behavior, set Rotation to follow Stroke. Go to the Dynamic sidebar and change Jitter size to 70%. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to None. In the Properties sidebar, under Brush Properties, turn off Orient to Screen. And that's it! Told you it was easy. You can start creating your mid-century art right away, but if you want a bit more stabilization, go back to your brush settings. In the Stabilization sidebar, set Streamline Amount to max, and play with the rest of the settings to get your desired result. But I've discovered that for this brush, the Streamline Amount max setting is enough to achieve smooth line work. And if you want to get stroke variation with your pressure, go to Apple Pencil and set pressure size to 70%. This ensures that with light pressure you get a thinner stroke, while heavier pressure results in a thicker one. So there it is, a cool and adorable liner you can use for your cartoonish illustrations, throwback artwork, or wherever it is your artistic instincts take you. If you would like to see more liner brush tutorials in the future, let me know in the comment section below, as well as any other questions or comments you might have. I've got a bunch more brush tutorials coming your way, so if you want to know when they are uploaded, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for that to happen. Also, like this video to make sure more people end up seeing it and spreading the word of the channel. I would love to see more budding Procreate artists like yourselves discover these tutorials. Thank you again so much to everyone who's subscribed, left comments and likes, and just generally supports the channel. Until next video, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!